Hi everyone, welcome my channel. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to explore something simple yet magical. The lamp. A lamp is more than just a tool that lights up the souls of a home. It brings warmth, comfort, and space within the walls. It's more than just a tool that lights up a more. It's the souls of a home. It brings warmth, comfort, and space when the world outside feels historic. A lamp reminds us that light will always find its way. Let's go back in time for a moment. Long ago, people used oil lamps made from clay and brass. They were small, but their glow was powerful, a light of hope during the night. As centuries past, technology evolved, but the emotion behind lighting a lamp never changed with air is never glowing bulb in a modern lamp or traditional in a home lamp and feeling this industrial some light brings life. Now look around your home, maybe on your desk, by your bed, on in your living room. Dear lamp that tells a story, a table lamp that keeps your company. Will you spread your white a floor lamp that adds additions in your corner? A bident lamp that turns a dinner time into something special. Slash lamp is unique, just like you say, shining its own kind of beauty. Modern lamps come in all shapes and designs. There are sleek metal lamps for minimalized, soft fabric lampshades, the spread cozy lights, and modern lamps in all shapes and design. There are sleek metal lamps or minimalized ones, soft fabric lampshades that separate cozy lights, and handmade wooden lamps that bring a touch of nature indoors. And with smart lamps today, you can even change color with your phone. Blue, charm yellow for your anthem. But there's something special about handmade lamps crafted from recycled glass lamp bulb pouring all jars when you create a lamp yourself. You're not just building decor, you're creating art. It creates lamps also have deep meanings cross culture in many traditions. Lighting a lamp means inviting blessing, preventing negativity, and starting something new. It's not just about brightness. It's about positivity. It's about believing that even a some lamp. So, next time you turn on your lamp, take a moment, look at that glow, feel its warmth. Remember that just you like this lamp, you too can spread light in your home, in your world, and in something hard. Software transitions. In your world and in some heart. Thank you so much for listening, my friends. If you love stories about creativity,